Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can remove parental controls in Play Store app without PIN code. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes below the video, also write your comments and make sure to subscribe to the channel. So friends, let us get started with you. First of all, if you have a PIN on your parental control, but you forget it, you can disable it without a PIN. And now I will show you how to do it. So, friends, first of all, you'll need to go to the settings on your device. And then scroll down and select the apps option here. Next, select the list of apps. And at the top of the search bar, select Play Store. Next, go to Google Play Store. And here go to the Vault. Next, in the Vault you will need to clear your data. Once you've done that, exit the settings and then go to the Google Play Store. Next, on the top right side, click on your image to go to Settings in the Google Play Store. Next, select Settings. Now Family and Parental Controls. And now friends, you can easily remove your parental controls without a PIN code by clicking right here. So, just like this, you can quickly and easily remove parental controls in Play Store app without PIN code. Hope this video was helpful and useful to you friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments. Bye-bye.